I just got this great regulator, Renator, for my little RV, because here I've used the normal, quote unquote, normal ones that are available, and they make my water pressure so low that I have a hard time with getting anything accomplished. One, it is nice and heavy duty, very high quality made. I'm already very impressed with it. The way you regulate the actual pressure is with this little screw, which I'm gonna install this and give it a try in a little while, but I wanted to show it to you. It comes with a really nice thank you note that kind of surprised me and made my eyes leak a little bit. I think that's awesome. And it comes with some great directions. Very clear, very concise, super easy to understand. I'm gonna finish up this video and get it ready to go.